안녕하세요. 소리가 잘 안 나오는데 지금 너무 아침이라가지고 지금 몇 시냐면 7시 반, 9월 21일 7시 반인데요. 오늘 남편 생일이라가지고 어제부터 미역국 만들고 곤약 잡채 만드는 것도 찍으려고 했는데 너무 이게 피곤하고 힘들어서 어제도 겨우겨우 했거든요. 남편이 왜 이렇게 상을 차려줬는지 남기려고. 지금 만들고 있는 거 참치 야채전인데 볶음이라도 하려고 했는데 아니면 갈비찜 같은 거. 근데 남편이 싫다고 그래가지고 그냥 뭐 미역국만 해달래요. 근데 또 이렇게 미역국만 할 수가 있어요. 그래서 그냥 집에 참치가 있길래 참치로 그거 지금 찾아서 따라해보고 있는 거예요. 따라하는 것도 막상 귀찮아서 제가 제 마음대로 할 테지만 어쨌든 베이스는 그거라는 거. 이제 참치전만 하진 않고 호박전도 하고 김치전도 할 거예요. 근데 여기에 특이한 게 그 레시피는 올리고당을 좀 넣어주더라고요. 간을 할 때. 부침가루 꺼내려고 보니까 저기 있어요. 키간 사다리 가져와야 되겠다.
Birthday cake. I don't know why anyone needs anything else.
미역국? You only need 미역국?
It's healthy, it tastes good. It's like perfect birthday cake. Maybe if you put some olive juice, whatever that thing is, you can make it into a sweet dessert.
올리고당?
That's how you get YouTube views. Put oligodang in this. Everyone will watch your video because they'd be so angry at you. She didn't like it.
Destroy food.
And then just tell everyone, this is traditional Korean cooking oligodang. Yeah, you should do like an anti what's her name?
망치?
Mangchi YouTube video or channel where you get Korean recipes but you make them really horrible. It's really good. It's going against my idea of anti-mangchi. This is pro-mangchi food. The japchae is actually konjac noodle. So it's healthy for you. Or at least has no calories.
That sounds interesting. I don't want to have bear soup.
It's really good. It tastes like beef. It's a
Where
little
did you have that?
gamier. Mom's friend. BGM.
Why is your spoon there?
Squash. We had to. These are very special squash that we purchased, handpicked by Costco.
If it's everything, if it's from Costco, then it's special.
I think everything but the kimchi. Oh, and the konjac. Oh, the seaweed. Only half of these things are made. Mushrooms and spinach from Costco.
여기 다 Costco. 아, fish cake. konjac.
Oh, konjac.
And onion is from Costco.
I'd rate this Korean restaurant one of the top 10 in Seattle.
Top 10? That's too low.
Alright. One of the top 5 restaurants in Issaquah. Top 5 Korean restaurants in Issaquah. I don't think there's like one.
나는 부대찌개가 먹고 싶은데.
Do they have that here?
우리 거기서 먹었잖아. Mama's Kitchen?
But you hated that place.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't hate it. It was good, but it was just expensive.
Yeah, 근데 부대찌개 was 조금
Fancy.
이상했어. 왜냐면은 부대찌개는 보통 이렇게 boiling 그런 데 나오잖아. 가스레인지 이렇게. 근데
They try to plate it
that
nicely.
one is like, yeah, it was in the pot. Which it was weird.
And they probably had like truffle oil in it and some other stuff.
트러플. 그래서 부대찌개 코리아 마트에서 사볼까? I think they should have pre-made version. I'm sure.
It could be cheaper. Just go to a restaurant.
Really? Even Hmart? What do you mean? 아니야. H마트에서는 한 you can buy it as like $8. 한 8불? 7불 요 정도만 살 수 있어.
You have to buy all the ingredients though.
아니, pre-made version has all the ingredients in the pack.
I haven't seen that. I didn't know they had that.
I'm sure they have it.
They might not.
우리는 느낌표에 that's why.
Oh, we could look for it, but let's see if they do have army stew.
메릴랜드 거 맛있었는데.
They have Mama's Kitchen.
I think I already looked for it.
Oh, they have Obap. Kappa place.
Hong Kong Kappa place has the 부대찌개.
I don't know. Oh, we should go to this place. The bowls are like $8.
You mean 컵밥?
I know Korea's like everyone in Korea is like what $8? Are you
8불.
crazy?
컵밥인데 8불.
어.
원래는 5불 정도 하는데.
Oh.
Maybe 2, even 3.
Yeah, in Seattle though, these are great prices. Anywhere else, it's robbery. But oh, they have a place called Seoul Hot Pot.
What do they have?
They have this.
오, 부대찌개다. 오, 이거 가볼래?
진짜?
몰라 나중에. 어디 있어? Where is it?
Bellevue, I think.
그래 여기 우리 다음에 가보자. 부대찌개 같은 거 파는 데가 있네.
Next time, just give me Costco pizza stacked together.
That might be enough.
Anything else you would recommend?
Probably the house because we got 2 creamy ones.
Yeah.
생일상은 포켓.
Broccoli.
여기는 영수증, 그리고 이거는 cute card. Happy birthday. 근데 이렇게 리본을 풀면 카탈로그, 그냥 광고. 뭐야?
One for you, one for me. Or 2 for each. None for me.
어디? 맛있을까? 맛있다. Very sweet though.
Very American.
맛이 엄청 달아요. 완전히 미국 스타일이래요.
무서워.
Do you want me to blow it out?
Happy birthday.
진짜? Oh. I don't. Can I open it?
Yeah.
So, yeah, no one can see the address. So, everyone, I asked Heejin for a PlayStation 5, so I'm really excited. It's PlayStation 5, right?
Power boy.
I love it! So, I wanted. Oh, this came with my present. I guess it's just packaging.
No, oh my god.
I wanted the white one. Da 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 da!
Yay!
Zoom in on this one.
이게 남편 옛날 그 시계예요. 다 부서졌어. 이거 같은 모델인가? Is it same model?
Newer model.
근데 새로운 모델로 사줬어요. 좀 다르게 생겼다.